Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at how to play ballad Ciao on a chromatic harmonica. Now in my last tutorial, I showed you how to play it in the lower part of your harmonica, but today we'll be looking at how to play it an octave higher. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 6, breathe in through 7, breathe in through 8, blow into 8, and breathe in through 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 6, breathe in through 7 twice, breathe in through 8, blow into 8, breathe in through 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 6, breathe in through 7, breathe in through 8, blow into 8, breathe in through 8, breathe in through 7, blow into 8, breathe in through 8, breathe in through 7, and blow into 9 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 9, breathe in through 9, blow into 9, and breathe in through 10 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, breathe in through 10, blow into 9 twice, breathe in through 9, blow into 9, and blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 8 3 times, breathe in through 8, blow into 9, blow into 8, breathe in through 8, breathe in through 7, and practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And don't forget you can check out part 1 of this tutorial by clicking on the link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.